During autumn, we headed to Tesco and purchased this huge chestnut. Creating delicious and nutritious snack at home using a rice cooker is incredibly easy. It's turned into one of my go-to chestnut tricks at home. Start by placing a 400-gram bag of chestnut in a rice bowl pan, which I got for £2.50 with my cup rice. Rinse them thoroughly under running water and soak them for about 30 minutes. This will help soften the sauce, making them easy to cut. I recommend using chestnut grate for this task instead of a knife. Just set the chestnut on its fat side, give it a little press, and voila! Your chestnut is perfectly screwed and all set for roasting. No need for knife or any risky finger movement. Start by rinsing the uneven sauce well, then fill a pot with water so that it's completely covered the chestnut. Put the pot in the rice cooker and set it to steam for 30 minutes. After that, press the button again for another 30 minutes. Once done, pour out the water, rinse the chestnut again and let them damp thoroughly. A helpful tips for you guys. The rice cooker should steam for a minimum of 45 minutes, while the dry toast with honey need at least 15 minutes. Mix in 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar and then toast them for about 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Stir them occasionally to achieve a caramel flavors and a nice toasted look. Good job! It's all done.